Before joining the VEA, I was really struggling with what to do after being in a corporate environment for pretty much decades. I was forced to use Microsoft only, uh, didn't know anything about other apps, just felt really like when I got laid off and started looking at what to do in 2023, I had no clue. And I really looked into it. I researched everybody that could help me with understanding my purpose and new tools that I needed to use. And I found Hannah and her team, and I got my confidence back. I did the 5-day boot camp, and she slowly was just building us up and explaining how it worked. And on the last day, I ended up doing a live Facebook video for the inner circle. And I didn't want to do it. I heard the homework, jumped out of bed, got it done, and then I watched it. And I think the assignment was something to do with what are you passionate about? What do you think you're going to do with these skills that you're learning? And I saw where I was lighting up and excited again. And Hannah helped me with all of that, just figuring myself out, figuring out my why, and then doing my first video ever. And it's so funny. I still look at it. I've shared it with people. It's cringy, but it's also really kind of cute and cool because I just did it and I was trying to figure out what button to hit when I did my first video in 2023. Thank you, Hannah. Thank you, everyone. I love this community so very much.